So today we're going to look at the top 5 different stocks on Robinhood based off of actual user ownership. So this is based off of how many people are owning those shares of the stocks and which ones are in the top 5. So what we're going to do is hop over onto Robinhood and take a look at them. Hopefully maybe there are companies that are going to help them grow their portfolios, but we'll take a look. So here we are with the first stock, and this is with the Ford Motor Company. Now, right now, as of this recording, they are trading for $6.06. But you can see right over here, this is what makes them number one. There are 925,539 users currently having ownership of this stock on the actual Robinhood app. Now, this one might be kind of skewed based off of two things. One, it's probably because a lot of people got this stock entirely for free and either decided to keep it or whatever the case may be. And then two, I know a lot of this has to do with the price point when it comes to Ford. It is a lot easier to get into, especially if you don't have fractional shares yet, because it's such a lower price point. Now, what we can also do too is take a look at their information here. Where do we have it? So right over here for the analysis, you can see over here out of 19 analysis, it says right here that 21% recommend this as a buy. We have 68% as a hold, and then 11% as a sell. Now, these are from different places like Morningstar and different, or like Market Watch and all those different places as well for analysis. This is not from like user information, just so you are aware of that. All right, so number 2 here is going to be GE. So GE currently is trading for $6.92. They have a whopping 834,275 different members here on Robinhood owning this stock. Now, I believe they are going to be fairly similar when it comes to the actual reason why they're on here is because one, the free stock, a lot of people probably got them, and then two, the price point is much easier to get into for a lot of new investors, because when somebody's new on Robinhood and they see that they have to pay for a whole share of Amazon at $2,000 something, it might be less advantageous for them to go if they don't have fractional shares. Now, if we go and look at the analysis over this one, let's go ahead and take a look and scroll down here. So this one is definitely much more favorable than where Ford was. So this one is at 62% of 21 ratings. So 62% is a buy. We got 38% as a hold, and then 0% as a sell. Kind of interesting there. Now, as I keep going on with this list, if you are somebody who has any one of these 5 stocks, let me know in the bottom comments section down below. Did you get it for free? Did you buy into them? Did you maybe get it for free and then bought more into them? However the case may be, let me know down below. So next on this list is going to be American Airlines. So American Airlines is currently trading for $13.02, and they have 654,611 different users currently having ownership in this. Now, this one wasn't one that I've seen a lot of people get for free, so I'm assuming that this one had a lot to do with the stock market that went down, and people were trying to get this at a really good value. And even right now, unfortunately, they're not doing so hot. You can see here, they're still not even where their 52-week high is, not anywhere even close. So their 52-week high was 34.59, and they're currently again trading in at around 13.02. And then we can see over here in the analysis, we have a 21% rating out of 19. So we got 21% for buy, we got 37% for hold, and then a whopping 42% for sell, which is quite a bit high. I mean, clearly some people are not believing in the airline system here when it comes to this. Now, before we go on with the last 2 different stocks, I will have a link in the show notes down below that can actually give you a free stock on the public investing app. So it's a very similar app to Robinhood, but it does also give you a free stock just for signing up. So you can test out that app, see if you like it. If not, you can always sell that stock and withdraw that money. But if you want to check it out, I'll have that link down below. All right, so this one is going to be Disney. So Disney is currently trading for $111.50, and they have over 624,477 users on the platform currently having ownership in this stock. So quite a bit there, to be honest with you. And then let's see how they're doing. So they're still down over the year by quite a bit, almost 20% there. And we can look at their analytics and analysis right over here. So their analysis is a 52% buy out of 27 ratings. So you saw that right there with the buy. So their hold is actually at 44%, and then their sell is actually a little bit higher than I thought. I thought it was going to be 0, but it is at a 4% when it comes to sell. All right, so the next one on this list is going to be with Delta Airlines. So they're currently trading for $28.11. and they have 592,457 users here on Robinhood having ownership in this stock. Now, I'm assuming it's very similar to American Airlines, where they're looking at a lot of opportunity for this stock to come back. It definitely still hasn't since the market has gone down. And let's take a look at their analysis here. So out of the 19 ratings, we have 63% as a buy, 37% as a hold, and then 0 as a sell on this stock. Now let's go ahead and do one extra one for good measure. So this will be the 6th most popular stock on Robinhood, and that is going to be with Microsoft. So this one right over here is Microsoft, currently trading at 203.67 with 492,023 different users having ownership, which is pretty impressive, with it one being a really hard stock to come by entirely for free, because I know some people have gotten them. Cheers for you guys if you've unlocked that for free. But then also too, the price point. That price point makes it quite difficult for some people to get into as far as a holding. So I'm actually pretty happy to see that number of people with Microsoft. And let's go and take a look at their analysis here. So you can see here their analysis out of 34 ratings, they are having up at a 88% buy, a 12% hold, and a 0% sell. And the interesting thing with the 88% buy is that they're well past their 50, like they're on their 52-week high as of right now. So I mean, even from the peak of the market going down in early or in like mid-February was 187.28. So you can see how it came down and then it went right back up and then beyond. So pretty impressive there with Microsoft. So I thought I'd add it in there as a bonus one for you guys as well. Now, if you're curious to keep on watching more investing content, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.